Master Your Emotions, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by emotions like anger, fear, stress, anxiety? Irrational, unpleasant thoughts and feelings are quite common because we often don't think rational. These feelings and thoughts make us miserable. If we do try to suppress, they become more intense and can affect our health adversely. What if I told you there is a simple step-by-step method to not only manage these emotions, but also build emotional resilience? Today I'm going to share with you the AFST method, a powerful tool to help you navigate your emotions with awareness and grace. Step 1. It all starts with awareness. This is the beginning of any conscious action. Awareness brings you to the present moment. Sometimes simple, deep breathing few times can help you get there. This is followed by acceptance. Own your emotions and feelings. Welcome the emotions or feelings. Step 2. Feel. Next, allow yourself to feel emotions in your body. Few points to remember. Don't judge the emotions. Don't suppress them. Don't even express them. Don't intellectualize. Just observe. Just be a witness. See these emotions and feelings like a cloud, creating a distance between you and the emotion. Take responsibility for your emotions. You are the ones generating them. Don't blame outside causes. Step 3. Surrender the emotions to release them. Releasing emotions happen naturally when you surrender the feelings associated with your thoughts and emotions in your body. Observe them without resistance. Just be with them in full awareness. Sometimes a healthy distraction helps shift your focus and prevent unhealthy expression of your emotions. Take a quick break, a short walk, or even wash your face. Step 4. Tolerate. Some emotions are very strong and won't go away immediately, and that's okay. Learn to tolerate them, just like a marathon runner pushing through pain. This tolerance builds emotional resilience. In conclusion, mastering emotions means understanding, processing, and releasing them safely and growing through them. Next time emotions hit you hard, remember AFST method. Thank you for watching this.